Let us know
Let me
when
know
we
when.
back up.
So as I was saying, just in case you missed it, welcome to Kiss and Tell After Party, baby. And we're joined by the beautiful ladies today. I feel lucky because I have 4 beautiful ladies in my company. That's a wonderful thing. It's a great thing, actually.
Strong black women.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Don't get no better than that.
that's right. It doesn't get any better than that. 4 flavors, baby. 4
With
kinds of ice
eyebrows.
cream. Let's reintroduce you, guys. We'll start with you,
My name's Kadabra. How you doing?
like Abra. Like that.
No.
He loves calling me abracadabra. He wants to be like abracadabra.
But like magic.
Exactly. You saw she disappeared. No. This is Sex CEO, but her real name is
Chanel.
Oh,
The sex CEO.
Chanel,
That's it.
Sex CEO.
Hey, how you
Is
doing?
there a comma?
Tri-state.
This is the real estate guru. The real estate guru right here. Just
Yeah, that's me. Right now.
So if you're looking for a home, log on to LennyGreen.com and tap into her. She has a whole bunch of articles on LennyGreen.com, and you can find out what you need to do to learn about home ownership and what you need to stay away from. She really kind of gives a great update on what you need to do and watch out for. So I call her the real estate guru, Anna Johnson.
Yes, that's
Thank you
me.
for joining me. And of course, sitting next to her is
Marquita. Hi.
who's complicated. That's all. She's complicated, y'all. If you watch this on countless occasions, you know Marquita could be a little complicated, but we're not going to even go there. Ladies, I thank you for being here. I am Lenny Green, the host of Kissing After Dark, and I host the Love Show at 98.7 Kiss in New York, about to take the country on this year. So we're going to go into a few other markets, so I hope to be coming into your market.
Yeah, baby.
And we're
Like
going to do
that.
some things. We're going to do some things that's unorthodox in your market. That cat right there, no, you didn't see a ghost. That was Global Vito. Global Vito is the producer for Kissing Up the Dark.
What's going on, people?
You only can hear his voice from time to time, but he's a man of few words.
Yeah.
So, ladies, thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Chanel posted up a comment last night on Facebook. Because I had this scenario that was fed to me by Vito. Here's the scenario of the relationship. All right. Guy is going out with this young lady. He steps out of the relationship. He is, I don't want to put any adjectives in there. He makes a video with the chick he's stepping out with. The chick he's going out with, who's living with him, finds the video, right? So they get into whatever they got to get into. And she takes him back in. They are living together. Now, I don't know whose house it belongs to or anything. All right? So she decides to stay with this guy, but she's not giving him any sex. It's been over a year.
Wow.
She's not working. He is working.
Is this a true story?
We don't know.
Vito says it's a true story.
That's like dating on NBC. Like waiting to happen.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah, it is.
What's going on is it's cheaper to keep them. And
They're not married.
They're not married.
He's paying the bills. I mean, but
Well,
they
that-
live together.
I'm not staying with nobody. I'm not
Guess
sleeping with for a
what?
year.
She ain't sleeping
I don't
with
care if
him.
we married
No,
or
but
not.
She's sleeping with somebody else. And she's sleeping with somebody else too.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
like, what?
Oh, for sure.
So if you're not married,
Why am I
what's
kicking him
the
out?
point
And he's the
of
one paying the
staying
bills,
together?
and then, you know.
You know,
No.
but I thought that was crazy because I
No.
Yeah,
commented.
that is crazy, bro.
Like, she need to get kicked to the curb.
Oh, what's-
How you gonna be paying all the bills? She not giving him no sex, and she lived with the brother.
I guess
They're not
that's her
even
way of
married.
punishing her.
So let me ask you a question.
Punish him.
Do you think she's getting some on the side?
Oh,
Yeah,
most definitely. I think she gets some on the side, and like I
He's
put
getting
on
a
my
lot on the
Facebook,
side.
either he's getting some on the side,
So-
or he's using up all the lotion and the shampoo up in the house. Because ain't no way.
He would be a dick if he
For
Go
Yeah,
for
for
a
a
year, he ain't getting nothing.
Some guys
But-
like when you don't give them sex.
No.
Some
What
guys
guy is that?
like
I don't know no guys.
What guy is that? What guy is that?
What guy is that?
I never met one of those.
It's the guys that they think
see
that
my
this
face?
girl is a super angel because she decided not to sleep with you, not meaning that she's not sleeping with anybody
Exactly.
else for a
Ho, ho,
year.
ho, baby.
And then they put a ring on her finger
And
because
it ain't
they
Christmas.
thinking,
For a
oh,
year? I know that
guy.
dude. A year?
Yeah.
I don't even want to know that dude.
Yeah.
Give me mine 3 times a week. I don't want to know that dude.
No,
minimum.
all right or
That's
wrong.
minimum.
It's dudes that fall for that.
But can we
I
talk
wanna see-
about? Okay, how does he get caught? Like, what is it with
Because
dudes?
he leaves
recording
the
porn
camcorder.
videos and always getting
He
busted.
leaves the camcorder. I don't know why he would leave the camcorder. So she sees the camcorder and she's like, "Oh, let me charge it up."
No, that's not what she was thinking.
She charged it up. She charged it up. She's like, "Oh, really? This is what's going on."
Somebody
So
would've got
okay,
cut.
so he cheats on his
Somebody
girl
got
with
cut.
another woman in the house that they live in.
I don't know if it's the
Assuming
house.
if it's on
not
the
sure.
camcorder,
He could have took the
I'm sure
camcorder
he
and
ain't
recorded
traveling
somewhere.
around. Yep.
That's why it
Well, if he's
should
stupid enough to leave it, he probably is traveling around.
I'm
Yeah.
take
like,
and
boy.
delete.
Wait, he don't know. Hello, right? He knows she's not going to it. She ain't gonna. That's happened to me before. Like
But why?
somebody that I was with,
Why
they
stay in that
cheated somebody
situation?
in our house.
Nobody's benefiting
Really?
except for her.
Maybe she's cooking and cleaning.
That happened to me
So
before.
what? I mean, I
He's
can
got
get
to
a
be
man with that.
benefiting somehow because he's got
Listen,
his.
I can call my mama over and tell her to clean up. I don't. Come on. I don't
Yeah,
need
yeah.
that.
No sex. What?
He's benefiting
No, I love it.
Oh,
Listen,
because
that's just a
obviously
terrible situation.
I feel like there's some facts missing. It don't make sense.
It doesn't make
It
sense.
doesn't connect.
It does. You're right. I mean, it doesn't connect. I couldn't see myself staying in that situation. Obviously, this is her vengeful tactic, but he's a dick for even wanting to stay in the situation. Because why would you stay in a situation? You're going to work. This is going on a magic carpet ride, right? And just like go out
You edit your own shit?
yeah, I edit my own stuff. Yeah, I know how to do that. You know, a magic carpet ride. Come on, it doesn't make sense. So look, I hope you're not even looking at me because I'm calling you a dick because that's what you are.
Yeah.
And you just
I
need
second
somebody,
that.
you know, just
Yeah,
And a
Yeah.
punk. You a punk
Come
ass
on,
Chauncey.
Who would-
That is funny.
Y'all need to
I
just
watched the
separate.
game too.
Y'all separate.
Yeah, it's right. It's you a punk. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
And so Valentine's Day started the week, this past week, and we end with an interesting situation like that. That's pretty pitiful. I hope you're not in a situation like that. And you know what? I pray I don't get it. I don't think I would ever be that stupid to get in a situation like that.
I would hurt somebody.
Let them know
They'd be hurt.
they
Should
can
be like
comment.
misery.
No, they'd be hurt.
Please post up any questions or comments. Let us know what you think
Ain't no way.
and what you, if you have a question for any of us. Of course, the sex CEO can answer any questions that pertain to sex.
Anything pertaining to sex,
I would think.
she got it. She
You
got
can't
it.
be a CEO if you don't know nothing about
She
sex.
got it. She got the knowledge.
So will you be writing a book?
No, I'm not
I want in.
writing a book yet, but actually working on an internet television show.
Called what?
Conversations with the Sex CEO. Yes.
Conversations with the sex.
Yes, so
Wow.
we're gonna tackle a lot of
I'm
different
the co-star.
topics.
I'm hearing an echo like, yes,
Yes.
I guess you're a part.
Yes.
So it's like the Johnny Carson and McMahon kind of thing.
Yes.
It's like,
Without all the
No, it's
comedy.
gonna be like The View.
oh, the view.
It's gonna be like The View, but it's
Oh,
gonna be a
that's-
little spicier.
Yeah.
It's just
No host bar.
I like
About
the
sex.
talk. You
No.
ever watch the talk on Channel 2?
No.
I like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
But it's gonna be edited and professional.
Yeah, so I think
It's gonna
that's
be good.
it's gonna be real interesting. A lot of little elements that we're bringing in there. So
You know,
excited
I
about
came in
that.
on a conversation, and maybe I shouldn't be bringing this to the table because we really didn't prep it, but I like to do things like that. But I came on a conversation, and she was sharing with them
Throw it
before I came
down.
in,
Throw it down.
about a guy who
Throw it down.
she knew, and the guy climaxed for 10 minutes
Oh.
Without me.
without her.
I mean, I had
Yo,
to like
fellas.
do it, jump in, like.
She said
Brother.
he was stuck in space. He was stuck.
How
in
do you
slow
get stuck in
motion.
space? I mean, the whole wonderful moment.
and I said because he's used to doing it when she's not there.
No, but he's faking it for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That's not possible.
That's
first I
like the
didn't-
best nut in the world. You come for 10
minutes,
I'm
come on.
telling you.
No.
This is like a ridiculously like
10 seconds
sexual
possible.
dude. It was just
But
like,
first of all, I don't think any man. I think you women can
think
fake
he was
it
just
far better
sensitive.
than we can. I mean, we can't fake
I don't
an
know.
orgasm.
You
You think
It
men
might-
don't fake
What?
orgasms?
It might
No,
not-
because you know why?
An
Fluid
orgasm.
comes out of our body.
Yeah,
it might
you
not
can't
be
fake
Yeah,
the
but
actual
you be all extra with it, like,
orgasm. It might
ooh,
be.
Yeah,
yeah,
but you
ooh,
know,
yeah, right
no,
there.
no,
No,
no.
mm-mm.
But you have the fluid that comes out of your
No,
body.
it's not about
and
the
then you have
fluid.
this man or woman, and then you have the orgasm, which is actually like that wave sensation that you
Yeah.
actually have in the body.
Right.
Like that's why some
The
women think
convulsions.
that they don't have orgasms
The
because
convulsions.
nothing comes out. But in reality, if you feel like that wave-like sensation
Right.
up and down your body,
And you get a
that
headache,
is
yeah.
the orgasm.
Yeah.
You know, the
Yeah.
fluid that's
Yeah.
released is just
That's
from
a
the
good
pressure
one.
buildup.
all that.
So it
Okay.
happens. And so just like it can be separated for women, it can be separated for men.
I don't think it's. I don't agree with that. I think because I think the man's climactic moment is when he releases.
Well, for men, it happens more often
It has
together.
to be in between that
But
time
it can be
when you
separate.
feel it tingling up until the time it
I
sprouts.
release it.
Yeah,
Yes.
like it's
Yes.
that time.
But that's my point. My point
That-
is we can't. That's my point. If a dude didn't come, you know when a guy doesn't come.
Right.
Am I wrong?
Right.
Science is
Yeah.
gold.
Yes.
I don't know.
So
I
you
don't know
know.
what that feels like.
Yeah.
You know.
When it's dry.
Oh,
When it's
real
dry.
whole lot. You know. You really know. Could never know. However, every woman on this in this circle knows you know when a man releases. That's his climactic moment, is it not?
No, it's in
It
between.
can be
There's
different.
there's
Yeah.
more than one climactic.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you.
motive.
You gonna tell me?
No, I'm not.
You got one of these?
Listen. It's in between the
Can I
time
see
when
what
you're
you got?
trying not to, when you trying
You
to,
take off your pants?
when you trying not to, and you trying to, and they're like, wait,
You're trying to
let me
hold
stop
it. You're
for a
trying to hold
minute.
it.
Like it's from that time all the way
you know
up
when it
until the
is?
time.
When they in
Yes,
their
it
rhythm,
is. Yes, it
and
is.
they in that
Okay,
same
So we're not talking
and
about
then they rhythm
just
changes.
having an
And then they
orgasm.
You know, it's coming.
Okay, but Lenny.
And then that's when we go like this.
Okay, Lenny.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Nothing, I'm just savoring
You be
the
like, why
moment.
you
That's
stop? Why you stop?
Oh, but Lenny,
But
you never
don't you
been-
love it, fellas, when they say, get the, I want you to, don't you love that? Like, yeah. Wait a little longer
Oh
now.
my God, your whole chest is red.
Yeah.
Just flashbacks. She like,
Oh, wow.
You all right over there?
I'm like, whoo, she going back.
Wow.
Welcome to Kiss and Tell. I'm Lenny Green, and this is how it goes down.
We have fun.
Yeah, we do. But we're honest with it. That's the bottom line.
Yeah.
But
Okay, but you never, okay, Lenny, you've never had like that round 3. I'm assuming you get the round 3. I'm gonna just assume that. So you get to
What's
round
my name?
3. That's what I'm saying. You get to round 3, and ladies, tell me if this ever happened to you. You in the dude, y'all round 3, and you get all the shuddering and all the movements, but nothing comes out.
Oh,
like
no.
physically, nothing can come out.
Right.
That's the shaking
It
part. That's
happens.
the orgasm. It happens.
you know what?
It
And
happens.
sometimes it's
It
not the
definitely
first,
happens.
but
No.
it's the second.
Or the third. I'm telling you.
Sometimes,
No,
the
sometimes
first
it's
one
gotta
is
come out all
so
the time.
corny, but the second one,
Corny.
That's the
That person is the best. The king.
no, not all the time. Like for me, sometimes the first one, I'll be mad at myself. I'll be like, what the fuck is going on here? Yeah. Then the second one, I'm like, oh, that's
your
what I'm
orgasm.
talking about me.
Oh.
It's about me. No, but the second one, I'll be I'll be like, go, baby.
See, I'm like one of those
Yeah,
women
I
that
can't even plan this out. This is like really.
I'm one of those women that don't come from intercourse at all.
All
So I'm totally
So wait.
right.
like for penetration. Like I don't.
No?
I know.
So
Never.
can-
I'm not
So let me-
clitoral stimulation.
So
Yeah,
what-
that's
That's
common.
It's
Never.
underscore, right?
Yes.
Never.
It's very
Oral, you
common.
said?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Underscore? Sex underscore?
What?
Studio?
My
Yeah.
Twitter.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
Yeah,
trying to
sex
like
underscore
understand what
C.
y'all talking about, but I don't.
Like intercourse,
No.
I will come like,
Like
if you're
penetration,
doing
I
it
don't-
right, automatically.
Well,
But that's
Sexy,
common
yo.
because
but
like
head,
Yeah, that's
never
what I'm-
happened.
because
Never
the
happened.
the vaginal tunnel is straight. It's super straight, and typically most penises. I mean, if you're lucky enough to get you a curved one. Woo!
I don't like that.
Oh, the curves are amazing.
You know, do you hear this?
Okay, curved penises.
I'm watching.
Okay, wait, let's digress.
I don't want the banana.
You want a curved penis because the curved
don't
penis
like
She doesn't
curved
want
up
the banana.
I
sideways.
don't like
Yeah.
She don't
And
like
let me tell you why
The
you don't
curve
like that.
up is good.
That's
It hurts.
good. No, it's gonna. It doesn't hurt. What
Yes,
it's
it
doing is
does.
it's stimulating the
It depends
G
on
spot.
which way it curves.
Curse.
Well, you just
What
twist
did
your
I tell
body
you?
to get the curve up and move.
Did I tell
If it's
you?
on the side, you just roll sideways.
First of all, I want to look at a straight penis because I'm not gonna like it if it looks weird.
Don't look.
Don't look at
I
it.
have to look at it.
You gotta look
Hold
at it.
on.
No, it's about what it does.
Hold on. I need to ask this. Now you said you have to look at it, so that means you appreciate oral and you give oral. I mean, being so we're talking about it.
Tell, baby.
All right.
Kiss and tell.
I suck my thumbs.
So one would assume. Can I have your hand for this, man?
Yes.
One would assume that you definitely like
It's
to.
this thumb.
Oh, okay.
But that's little.
But yeah, that's little. So hopefully that doesn't mean anything.
But I was saying about the vaginal walls, like, so your vagina is pretty much straight, and if a penis is straight, what happens is you're not really getting a significant amount of friction.
Oh yes, you will.
Straight
right,
penis,
Dogs?
you will. So a lot of women.
It was just what you
I want a
explained.
curveball. Don't throw me a
So a lot of women don't have
Don't throw me a curveball.
orgasms through just vaginal
Don't
sex
have anybody
because
saying
some need the stimulation of the G-spot or the clitoris. And if that's not necessarily happening, then you're not going to have an orgasm. But like you said, you can have a clitoral stimulation and then that will give you an orgasm. So it's good to have like a curved penis because it can move up against that G-spot.
So-
it's good to move your body in different
G-spot. That's what
positions.
it is.
Oh, that's
Yep.
it. But that tongue gets.
Because you should.
Don't.
Tongue never fails.
I don't.
See,
Yeah.
I can't come like
Thank
that.
you.
I'm so
Yeah.
sad.
What?
I just can't.
Highly sexual, but any other way.
Won't
But it's
happen.
just...
I'll be all sensitive.
Huh?
Feel like it's about to come down. Okay, but it don't happen.
You gotta take your mind.
It don't happen. I
Never.
tried. It's happened. It's happened before. 3 times, maybe 3 times my whole life. Maybe. And I think it had a lot to do with the fact that I used to smoke weed. I was
Wait.
high.
For me.
Drunk. It's just.
What about
I don't
anal
know.
sex? Like, anybody ever
God.
come from
Oh, let's talk about that. Yeah.
Like that? You like talk about somebody
Let's
coming
talk
from
about
that?
it,
If you come from that,
Yes.
that right there.
That's
Yes.
part
how
of
you take
your
your
vagina.
vagina.
That's part of your life. I'm not a
You would be
squirter,
like,
but when I came from anal, I squirted. I was like,
So it's safe to assume that everyone at this table has engaged into it.
Engaged in it.
Yeah.
So on a scale.
Ding, 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 ding.
What?
have you?
Done it.
Have you?
Performed it on something.
Oh, I think you
Not.
got to present that question. What?
We don't tell them.
Have I what?
Have you ever
Done it.
had anal sex?
No. I
With
don't
a
get
woman,
nothing in my
have
bag.
you
No.
ever
Have you
done it?
Stuck a
Oh, okay.
Oh.
You gotta be clear with this, you know. No,
Why not, Lenny?
no.
No backdoor for you?
No,
It's
no.
fabulous. You love it.
Will you let a
I
girl
love
lick your
what?
booty?
You love the anal. I'm
No.
telling
You
you.
want to let her lick your booty?
Wait, no. Wait. You mean me actually doing anal with a woman, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done that.
No,
No,
not
no.
you in the back. Let her be in the back.
In the back of what?
Thing.
Let her be in the back.
In the
of what?
back of your booty.
Do whatever she wants to do.
Yeah.
Doing what? What the hell you gonna be doing in the back of me? That's what I want to know. No,
Get up
dude.
there, prostate
would
with the
you-
beat.
You don't know.
She talking about the tank. The tank, right?
Get it out.
It's called prostate stimulation.
Hell yeah. Don't sleep.
Well, guess what?
Tank.
The
Look it
only-
up.
Look.
That's the male
I'm a-
G-spot.
Yes.
That's the
Look it
male
up.
G-spot.
That's why the tank.
I'm going to eliminate that G-spot from Lenny Green. The male.
Ain't that word?
The male. The what?
It's funny, right?
Prostate- What?
Male, it's the
It's the male G-spot. It's the male G-spot.
Yeah.
Well, guess what?
It's
I mean,
prostate
the only way that's going to happen with me, and that's not even happening when it
Yeah,
happens,
only way it's not happening.
is no, it's not happening.
Never say never.
I'm saying never.
Never know what a little Ciroc, we're doing a little music and candles.
Like, yeah.
Like, roll out. Like, girl, go ahead. Just one time. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody.
You need global right now. You get slayed. You need global.
Yeah, where the hell is Global when you need it? Here's the bottom line. The only time somebody's going to go that way on me is if it's my personal doctor. That's it. And that's to check the prostate. I'm sorry.
So you
Lenny's not
wait
going
a
that
minute.
way.
So would you let a girl
No.
toss your salad?
No.
No.
No?
Are you serious?
No.
Sally told it is the best. Oh my God, you crazy?
Nah.
You know people have converted on the Sally toast?
You converted.
Converted.
Just lay down and relax.
Yeah. Oh my
No.
God.
You don't have to lay down there. No.
Yeah,
When they
like
tell
that.
you to lay down, fellas, I know there's probably no fellas watching, but if they tell you, if a woman tells you to lay down, face down.
No, she don't tell you. It
You don't have to be face down.
You can have your booty in the air.
Oh, hell
Just
no.
relax. You don't love it.
Oh, no.
He's
Oh,
laid
no.
down on his back and she giving him
ain't
head.
trusting nobody
And then she
else.
go
And just
down
keep
to the
going
bone.
under.
And she
Just keep going under. Well, you know, she's like, this working
Oh,
your way.
wow,
You don't need to
wow.
hold
We
it.
got
You let
some-
it go. You You're gonna be in the moment.
So
You're not
hold
gonna
on.
know.
Marquita, are you in agreement?
If I trust somebody's
Yeah, she's
salad,
like
that
that.
means I'm not gonna like them anymore. Because they like not masculine enough for me.
What? No, I don't agree.
And you know what?
That's just me.
Marquita, you know what? I'm good for once, and I know I don't come to your side of the street, but for once I want to come to your side of the street. You know what I'm saying? Because I can't do it. I can't.
I mean, there's nothing wrong if that's
Don't
what you like to
say
do.
you
That's
not
what
for you
No,
to do.
I don't
It's not for you
think.
to do.
Don't knock it till you try
you got anything
it.
over
Well,
there?
guess what?
babe?
I'm not interested in trying.
You're not gonna know that it's happening. You're
I
not gonna know what's happening.
will definitely know what's happening.
You're not gonna know. It's gonna feel too good.
Definitely know what's happening.
Definitely.
It's a slippery slope.
There's no damn slippery slope like that.
Tell me,
No.
a lot of men are
Well,
really knocking themselves out of a
Hanging
lot of
dry.
great sexual experiences by building up all these walls.
You gotta be
it's okay for me to do
comfortable
it to
with your
a woman.
sexuality.
No. See, I'm great when it's. Here's what I am. Now, I think I'm a person who's a pleaser. I believe in pleasing my
We
love.
like to be pleased.
Well, you're not.
I know y'all do. But, and I'm cool, you know, on occasion for me not to reach, because I think
Nobody
men
said any
can climax a
questions?
lot easier,
I
like
don't know.
faster than women. So I'm fine with that, you know, but I'm about just pleasing my partner. But if she wants to please me that way, there's probably gonna be a problem.
But
I have
the
no.
key would be
other
not to
problems.
tell you. Just do it. You're not gonna know when you caught
But
up in
You
the
might
moment.
get hit.
When you caught up in the moment, you're not gonna resist. You're not gonna say, "Oh no, don't do that." You're not gonna do that.
I would.
You're not.
I think
I mean, you might look.
You're not.
You might get a little jump.
You're not gonna know.
No,
You
no.
don't like
What's
it.
that?
Okay, I got a question.
Like, oh,
So wait, so wait, hold on.
Relax.
So hold on. So if a man who you're with, right, goes a whoop or easy or what you doing? So are you still? Because no means no, right?
no, you just say shut up. And
Y'all never gonna
Say
say
shut
no.
up.
Y'all don't even know the word no.
Oh, I know the word
no,
no.
when you caught up.
You say, take
Caught up.
that.
No,
You in the mode?
No, they like it when you rough. No, they like it when you rough. You just be like, shut the fuck up.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, that's what y'all
Just
do.
go with it. Just go with it.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what you just go in and just go
Debbie,
in.
you open up a whole nother ball
See,
game.
this is where the penis is so amazing because women
Oh,
can,
yeah.
like, if you are stroking it and work, like, it's very good to have hand control when it
Yes.
comes to the penis. So if you have
But
that
not
good
too
hand
much hand
control,
control.
that you can, like, work
You supposed to
it,
be
and
sucking
he's
it, they
feeling
not
a
jerking
good,
it.
he's feeling a good
I don't know where this
sensation.
conversation's going today.
He's gonna let the rest of that just flow. I'm telling you.
She's
missing
talking
out, man.
about
Ooh, you missing
sliding
out.
in the home base. She's not letting that part go.
Yeah,
So she's talking about
out.
starting from the front and ending
Yes.
in the back.
Yes.
That's what she just said.
I'm talking about working the back while you holding the
Yeah.
front. I
That's what she
mean,
said.
yeah, nice.
Oh, now he shows up.
That's what she
Now
said.
this guy shows up.
So I got
All the whole 5 minutes I'm getting grilled and
Let's ask you a question, bro.
He like, what?
No.
Look,
Come here,
let's
come
ask
here,
you, we
come here,
gotta
come
ask you a
here.
question.
You
Come
have
on
to
this
be
side, come on this
tortured
side.
now.
Oh, that's enough.
I'm gonna go on that
What you
side.
saying?
I'm gonna stay.
We can't leave him out of the
I just want you to
conversation.
be in the seat because that's where I was, and I was in the seat, and you were nowhere to be found.
What it got to do with me? I'm not on the show.
That was-
Just sit down.
The question is, would you let a girl toss your salad?
No way.
You don't let a girl
Sit
do
down, sit him down, sit him down. Hey, act like you sit him down.
He
Sit him
had to
down.
go
Let me see how aggressive you are.
Sit down.
You have to go.
Don't let me get the cuffs and tie you to the chair.
And you left him by itself. It was.
It's not my fault, it's not my show.
Terrible.
It's not my show.
It was terrible.
I'm not part of the show. I'm behind the scenes. That's what it
I
means.
felt bad. I
Be
felt bad.
aggressive with him. Be aggressive with him. Act like he's the guy on the bed.
Yeah, tell him about the.
Okay. Oh, yeah? All right, so lay back.
Okay, so,
Wait a minute.
so,
Okay, Chanel, come. Open your legs. Oh, Jesus.
What's going on here? I feel so violated.
No, you like it.
Not tossed salad.
oh yes, you would.
I don't even like salad.
But you ain't gonna eat it.
You ever toss a salad? No. You don't know what you're missing.
Oh,
I know what I'm missing.
You're not grilling him, man. Like
That's like saying
Alright, my time
I don't
is
like
done.
sushi, but you never ate
You
it.
know he done got up.
I ate sushi
Mm-hmm.
before.
We ain't doing the questions from people.
What? Oh, I don't see any questions
Oh,
popping up.
fronting.
How you gonna be scared? You the host.
No, I didn't say I was
You
scared. I
didn't
just
see
said
what
you
happened to
left.
him. He got massacred.
I'm working 2 shifts.
Oh, so what?
He got massacred.
Come on, you
Kiss and
global,
tell,
you
baby.
everywhere.
This is all about Kiss and Tell. The ladies are with us tonight. I want to thank Marquita, Chanel,
Hola.
Kadabra, Anna for being with us. I appreciate you ladies being here. The conversation is going to go in a whole lot of different directions. Mainly because, you know, the lady who is, you know, an authority on sex, Chanel, is with us. So
Sex
she
addict.
Sex CEO.
Wait a minute. Why I gotta be a sex addict? I enjoy the
Sex.
act and I engage in it on a. It's very therapeutic. 200 orgasms a year. That's 3 a week. I'm just getting my 3 in. 4. Okay, I'm getting my 7 in. But you should at least have your 3 a week. There's nothing wrong with that.
3 a
That's
week?
great. Yeah.
So you're underserved.
No, I ain't underserved. I can borrow. You can borrow some if you need.
No, hold on. I'm going to get my statistics. Hold on.
You guys can converse with these people out here.
Awesome.
Do you have any
we can't
questions?
see any of the questions.
Any question popped up?
Are people watching?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we
Are they
need a
scared
question.
to ask the
We need a good
question?
question.
Yeah, we need a good
Who
question.
that? Say who that? What up, who that?
Hi, who that?
Hey,
I know who that. I know who that.
Sweet Linda.
Come on. Oh, hi,
Sweet Linda. Hi.
All right, I know y'all got questions. Come on now. What y'all want to know?
Well, here's the deal.
Let me
Okay.
see.
Now you said, gotta find the right spot. The right spot.
for?
I got statistics here. I got statistics.
Love statistics.
Okay, they say no, not that one. I want that one.
You're throwing out statistics?
Yeah, I am. Don't want to talk about how many women have affairs.
No.
Yeah.
No women ever have affairs.
Oh, that's not true according
Liars.
to statistics. They have affairs all the time. Oh man, I had a sex thing. I wanted to share this with you. Cece.
He said.
So you never told Sally before, Elodie?
He said, oh.
He
What was
said,
that?
he said never.
He said, have you
That was a
ever
trick
tossed
question.
a salad?
That was a trick question.
Why was it a trick question, Marquita?
Because he asked you if you tossed the salad. He didn't
Right.
say your salad got tossed. That was
Clearly,
a trick question.
But why would you want your salad being
That's
tossed?
why-
I don't
That's a
need my
trick
salad
question.
tossed.
That's why I'm asking, did you ever
Toss
toss
someone
salad?
else's salad?
Yeah.
Have you, Vito?
I already answered. I said no.
He said he don't even like salad.
No.
I don't
even like salad.
Yep. I didn't say it like that.
I didn't know you.
Well, that's what it sounds like to me.
But what
I'm
about
trying to say.
cunnilingus?
Okay, sure. That's what it sound like to me.
No,
Can
what
you
about
toss a brown
cunnilingus?
salad? It works the same way. I don't know. There's no tomatoes though when it's a girl.
No tomatoes.
It's not supposed to get tomatoes.
I said, is it the same if you toss a guy salad and girl?
Sweet Linda, what's going on?
Hey, Sweet Linda, thanks for locking in with us, Sweet Linda. Post up
Post
your
up those
questions.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. Any questions?
Kiss and
Go.
Tell, baby. This is Kiss and Tell, where we talk about various things every night on Kiss and Tell on 98.7 Kiss inside of Kissing After Dark. But this Kiss and Tell thing is about simply just being open, no holds barred. We got to be straight up and we're honest with everybody about what's going on. And I appreciate these ladies being here with me. Chanel and Anna, they've been to the show before. If you go back and look at some of the other shows, you'll see exactly
How it
the
gets
interesting topics that we've had. Because they really are fun. They say people have sex on an average of 127 times per year. Is that true?
It breaks down to what?
Yeah. Was that 30% of the time?
It breaks down to how
30%
what
of
we
the
do
year.
weekly.
Yeah, what does that break down with?
Once a week, maybe. Wait,
Twice a week.
52,
Once a week ain't enough.
52
Twice a
weeks
week.
in a year,
Twice a week?
right?
It's almost twice a week.
Yeah, that's twice a
2.5
week. Yeah,
times.
50.
Oh, so you're above average.
Oh, I'm way above average.
She said orgasm. She didn't say sex.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you say you orgasm.
She said orgasm 3 times. She didn't say
You
sex
married
3
or
times.
you have a boyfriend?
No, I'm in a relationship. So.
Oh, you're in a
I'm in a
relationship.
relationship.
Am I right?
Wow.
Yeah. There's a difference. Orgasm is sex.
I did follow
Different.
that. Yeah, I did follow that.
Sometimes it's sex. Sometimes it's just an
Sometimes
orgasm.
it's just.
I'm saying sometimes I just need to motivate, get up in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Like I just need that to kind of just get my day
So
right.
when is the best time of the day for you ladies to have sex?
Anytime.
I like to be woken
feeling
up.
is right.
So you like morning sex?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
See, I like that morning
Morning
wake
is the
me
best.
up, and I like that
Breast
night put me to sleep.
All that.
So, Marquita,
I'm a
what do
night
you like?
person. I just don't wake me up. I'm very cranky in the morning.
Wake me.
You hard to please.
I like at night. I'm a night person. I'm definitely a night person.
Complicated.
I'm a night person. Like in the morning, like please,
Don't
it
bother you.
better be good.
What about? Well, it could only be good. Well, depending on how your partner is.
No, I'm just saying, like some people like have that rollover sex. Like let me roll over and just go.
Yo, I love
Okay.
that. Lazy
That's
Susan,
the best.
run up, put that leg up on the side. Oh, that's the best. You be like, yeah. I love that little Lazy Susan. For real. I love that.
Let's get into a little question tonight.
It's funny.
What is the craziest thing someone said to you in the heat of the moment? The craziest thing is the key word. The craziest thing someone has ever said to you. We'll start with you, Anna. In the heat of the moment.
What's that crazy thing?
The craziest thing.
I don't have
I
crazy.
want to marry you.
They always marry. I'm just saying.
Wow.
Imagine just that
What
many.
was it? What was it? What
Yeah, clean that up. Too
Craziest
late.
thing
Nothing is
someone
that
said
bad.
to you in the heat of the moment. The craziest thing someone ever said to you in the heat of the moment.
It doesn't have to be words now.
I
Sometimes
remember.
you hear gibberish.
I did have some guy one time tell me he like, oh, I want to have your baby.
No, just the person.
Have
No,
your
no,
baby.
I was like, have my
That's
baby.
that's not possible.
I know.
Your baby?
You know, he was just in his zone.
I can remember something because before I didn't remember, but now I remember.
I was playing with his
remember-
booty and toes in his salad. He know what to do. He said whatever came out.
Now that status.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm telling you,
have your
fellas.
baby.
Don't let these ladies toss your salad. And you be
No,
saying
you
some
let them
crazy
toss
things.
your salad. This is the new millennium,
Yes.
man. This is not the 80s, 90s. People are just doing stuff.
It's all flip. We work. We want to toss salad.
Yeah.
They stick
Well,
you
we
in the
can bring
booty.
you home a
We
toast
not
salad.
trying to stick nothing in your ass. We just want to lick
Just
it.
give us what we want. That's all.
No. See, first, see.
No, I do want to stick a little something in
You
your
see,
booty.
you see what I'm saying? You see? She wants to lick it.
Right?
She'll lick it and stick something in
I
it.
got some toys for that. I want to use the toy. I want to put a little something in your booty.
So, Anna, I heard from this side of the room.
I got something to say about that.
Okay, yes, go ahead.
Like, okay, this might be weird, but I can't stand your ass, but your pussy is so good.
That's what somebody said.
Somebody said
Wow.
I can't stand your ass, but your pussy is so good.
I can't fucking, like, we can't stand each other, but your pussy is so good.
Oh, yeah, you could have the bomb pussy. You're right. I stayed in a relationship that. I
Okay,
stayed in a
this was
relationship
somebody
long.
said something to me, but this is like this probably was the weirdest thing somebody ever did after sex. Wrote me a thank you note.
I remember
Oh, that was nice.
Like literally, like
That
oh
was
my
nice.
god, it was so
That was
great.
nice.
I got a thank you note, and then I got like this card of like these other positions.
Oh.
It's hysterical. I was
Get
like,
ready.
oh my god, I
Get
never got a
ready.
thank you note for
Get
sex.
ready.
I think I'm still happy. Thank you for the thank you note. Mwah.
Bring it next time so we can see this.
Is that a compliment or like a
That's a
diss? I didn't know
compliment.
how to take it. Like, it was a
Oh, no, that's a
compliment or a
compliment.
diss.
That's a
No, that's not.
compliment.
No, that was a compliment, but
I
it was
can't
just
stand
so.
you.
Oh, well, that one? Yeah.
Real. It was
Yes.
just so real.
Yes,
Like, he was
yeah.
bold.
Oh,
Nah, I think he was trying to G you. I think that was a G. I don't know.
He said, I can't stand your ass, but you
I
like
don't
your
really,
pussy.
I don't really get along
Was he
with a lot
high?
of people. I only get along with
He was high?
not that many people.
What's the
Right.
craziest thing someone said to you, Lenny?
No, but hold on. Let's go to Anna first.
He said,
Well,
"I never been here."
I don't know if it's crazy, but all I hear is this is the best shit I've ever had.
That is right.
But
That's it.
okay, I want to know.
That's it.
Are
I
you
don't know
like
if that's crazy.
Are you like the other side of the room
What?
that stated that not only do you want to lick it, but you want to put something in it?
I don't
When
know
it
if I
comes,
want. I don't know if I want to put something in it, but I don't even know if I want to lick it. But
okay, so you.
but it depends on when I'm in the moment.
You put some lickety stiff on that. Yeah,
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
Yeah, you
See?
can put things on it. You know,
put a little
just to like-
flavor.
Yeah, okay, so I'll lick it.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
I'll lick it for
You can
sure.
put
We're
anything
talking-
that you want.
just so you understand,
Like honey,
ladies
put some honey
and
on
fellas,
it.
they're talking about
You're not allergic.
men. Talking about licking a man's butt. That's what they're talking
I'm
about.
not talking about that.
Yeah, not butt, an
Who
asshole.
that?
I am not talking about that.
It's a particular spot. Not
It's-
exactly the
I've
answer.
never been there.
Oh, so right before.
Yeah.
Oh no, I get right up in the zone. Open up. Right in the zone.
She's a gangster.
She said.
You are a gangster.
Right in the zone. Yeah, you got to do it. Come on.
So, Marquita, would you consider doing that?
No.
You never get in the zone?
I don't want to smell sweaty balls.
You are so curious.
I don't want to be that up close and personal with the tank.
I like the balls.
I don't want to be
when they smack
there.
you in the face.
I'm not
So you gotta, like, they so.
I'm good. I'm good.
Now, the craziest thing, you know what? I can't remember
That's
the
too
craziest
much.
thing someone said to me. To be honest with you, I really can't. You know.
There's been so many.
Ah.
Just pick one. Just pick one.
One.
He said-
What's the first one that you could think of?
Let
The
me
first
lick
one.
your head, Lenny.
Well, you know,
That's common, probably.
it has become
Probably
common since I've been bald. It's been common. Either the person wants to feel my head or
The
Put
baldy
stuff
is hot.
on your head.
yeah, and then when they feel it,
Put
it's
wet
like,
stuff on your head.
For some reason, I guess
Oh.
the
The baldy's hot. We love baldies.
I mean, that could also work in your favor if you go back and forth and there's a little stubble.
oh, you like it rough.
No, I'm just
wow.
saying.
You like it rough down there. You
just
like it
creative.
rough.
I'm creative. He knows that's happened before. That's why he's laughing. That's why he's laughing.
Well, I know this because I mean, look, it could go either way. I think
You got
some
him
ladies
tailored.
sometimes like it when it's nice and smooth, or because I have to shave every day. So if I don't shave every day, then I'm stubbed up. Like by the end of the night, I'm kind of nubbed. I'm kind of nubbed. So I got the nubs going every day.
That's
He's
kinda
smooth
nice,
right
though.
now. He's smooth right now.
I'll shoot right now, but
Yeah.
give me a
But
few
tomorrow,
hours.
right?
I shave this bad boy every day.
You like
Isaac,
Virgo.
Isaac Hayes. That's all I can say. Isaac Hayes. God bless him. But the craziest
Check out the
thing.
Facebook page.
Hey, don't forget to log on to LennyGreen.com. That's what I want you to do.
Yes.
Check out my website. I know you guys. Wait, does anybody else have a personal website?
Yes. www.AnnaMJohnson.com.
Yeah, mine is www.slumberpartiesbychanel.com. Book a party, see me live and in person.
Toys and all. But fellas, watch out for your booties. That's all I can say.
Yes, I'm teaching the women how to do it. We're coming. We're coming.
Oh, gosh, that's crazy.
Invasion of the booty
Marquita,
snatchers.
not yet?
I mean, I'm on Facebook and Twitter, but that's
And I'm on Twitter as
That's
well,
right.
at Lenny Green. So, yeah, I mean, the craziest thing, I mean, probably, probably want to have your baby, that's probably the craziest
wow.
That's common for
If
Lenny.
a girl
You know
says
what-
that to you when you're having sex, you be like, that's...
You know what that sounds like to me?
You run away
if
from
a
them
dude says,
because that's
"Oh, I want you to
retarded.
have my baby," because I've heard that before. Oh my God, I want you to have my. All I hear in my head is, "I want to fuck you raw."
All I want
I want to fuck you raw.
all I
And that
hear is, I'm leaving,
That shit turns me off. I'm like,
Yeah.
no,
But
you so quick to take the condom or something.
So you're saying in the midst of everything, you hear this, but you still continue?
Yeah, because I mean,
You're in the
I'm
middle.
ignoring you.
You're in
Like, I'm not paying that shit no
You
mind.
just gotta make sure it's
But-
not more.
I want my
You
nut.
ain't no sneaky.
I want my nut first.
Wow.
Then we
Oh,
can
you
talk
want yours.
about this later.
So wait, if you get your nut, then
Got
it doesn't matter if he gets
sexy.
it?
In order
about
for me
that,
to
right?
have a baby,
I strap up. I ain't messing with
raw
you.
sex, right?
Right.
I can't
So
do
when
that.
I hear, "I want you to have my baby," all I hear is, "Can I take this condom off, please? Because this shit is choking me."
Wow. Well, hey, yo, you know what?
I just get the thin one.
The bottom line is that you gotta get the right condoms,
And you would get the 36
And everybody
box
cannot
at
wear
Walmart.
leggings, so stop fronting.
$12.98. Get your big box at Walmart.
Yeah,
What brand?
that's right.
You talking about?
Oh, I
Forex?
like the what I get.
You talking about
Like
Forex?
the Trojans or
is
something.
good. Oh, ecstasy is.
okay.
I like those
Mm-hmm.
with the gray pack.
We should do a commercial for them. Ecstasy.
Wow. Wow. So these are 3 questions.
That's yep.
Okay, so let's have the sexy you do first.
Ooh.
Who's going
That's
first?
you.
Who's going first? Me? Oh. Am I ready?
I'm
Sexy EO. What's the
nervous. Okay. It says, what attracts you most when dating someone? What is the one quality they must possess to get a second date?
Good question.
Ooh.
Okay.
Good question.
What attracts me most is swagger. Like,
Yeah.
Confidence.
Yeah, he's got like a lot of confidence. Almost arrogant, but not there. Almost there. I love that.
Yes.
I do. I love that.
Yes.
That will definitely get you. Like, even if you half rude on a date, but you so, I'll be like, I like that.
I would say confidence and intelligence.
I love
Intelligence
swag.
More than the looks.
is really good.
Yes.
Swag is
Get you to
everything, though.
sympathy.
See, that it's
It
easy
is.
to say swag because swag is like saying he got the whole
Have
package.
you ever talked to somebody that was
Physically.
dumb as hell and you
Yes.
was like, "That's a turn off. Don't ever call me again. Stay away from me." Yes.
I don't know. I'm attracted to people.
That's
for
happened
weird
to me
reasons.
before. Like, we can't have a conversation. It was this guy before. You know who Maya Angelou was? I was like, what? Are you,
What?
we cannot speak anymore.
Thank you.
Like, not even to be like sounding like, you know, bougie or
Right.
But do you read? Do you read a book? Any books? Nothing.
There's a couple little facts and shit though.
Hide the money in the books. Hide the money in the books. Like,
Oh man.
What?
But guys can lose it too. Like, I dated this guy who he did have, I mean, he was a stripper actually, so he had like some great, I mean, you would think they always have swagger, right? That's his job. That's how he gets paid.
Right,
And
that's
everything,
fact.
it was fabulous until we sat down, the meal comes, and I've never seen anybody like bend over a plate and eat it like he was in jail or something. I was like, what is with this? Like somebody's about to steal his food. And oh my God, I was like, this is over. I just want to get home.
Oh, so you
And I get home and he's all like, yeah, I
She
really like you. And I'm
understands.
just thinking like, this is just the nastiest food ever. Like, are you serious? He was eating it like I was going to steal it off the plate.
Oh
So
my
like 3 people in the
God.
whole restaurant. Nobody's going to come get your plate, bro. You can relax. Oh, it was a mess. So you can have it at one point, but then, you know,
And that's
people
not
can
good.
lose
That's not
it.
good etiquette anyway. You're not supposed
No.
to eat
Well,
like
that's
that when you're in a
just
restaurant.
No. I mean, it's all about it's all about etiquette. You know what, fellas? I know we need some help. We do.
Yeah, we need help too.
You don't have to be super learned, but you have to like, come on.
you
like,
gotta help each other.
meet me
though.
halfway.
Yeah.
Right.
Let me get a little something. Let me do high school diploma or something. It ain't gotta be all the way. Like,
Get your little GED.
a couple books, like something. Throw
I'm
them
just
in there.
attracted to people who are just determined, period. It doesn't matter. To me, like, the determination is such a turn on. You know? Like, speaking in terms of emotionally, spiritually. Yeah.
I just need
'Cause
to be able
physically,
to
I'm
get
attracted
something
to
from
some
you.
weird
I need
shit.
to be able to get something
Like,
from you
butts
intellectually,
and,
spiritually. Like something.
Right.
Like
Yeah.
we need
Have a
to-
goal for something. Like, don't just be out in the world like,
Let's
I'm just
just
going to
be able-
live my
yeah,
life.
let's
Like,
try.
Yeah.
Yeah, towards
Let's
something.
be able to connect.
Push
in
it,
a certain
right?
kind
That
of
Cat
way.
Williams say, you got to be pushing.
And I'm really attracted to talented people, which I think is why I date
That
artists.
is very
Because I'm
interesting.
always like dating or attracted to like an artist,
Mhm.
and I think I'm like really.
But does that
attracted to
really
talent.
work in your favor all the time?
No, not really. Because those are the biggest whores in the world. The,
What?
Yeah,
that-
you need like an opposite. Did she just like switch? You need like an opposite.
like the last one I dated, he was a rapper. He
So
was a
if the
jerk
rap,
off.
so if the rapper then
Sweet
is
to me,
the bad
but,
dude, it's not right. Then why even think about it?
But see, the thing that's crazy is not that he was a bad dude, because he was a good dude. Like, he was good to me. It was just that he wasn't good to the other person he had the so-called commitment with. To. You know what I mean?
Wait, you was a side chick?
I was a side chick, not knowing I was a side chick.
Oh, I was like, let me wait. Did I just hear you was a side chick?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Let's write 5 points of how if you know you're a side chick.
Years.
Are you around on the holidays?
I mean,
Do you?
Can't go to his house.
Can you go? You know what I mean? Do you spend the night?
Yes, exactly.
yes.
Do you
All
have to
that.
leave? Like, no, not you per
Oh,
se.
yeah.
I'm just saying, like, we need to do that on the next show.
side
Yeah.
chicks.
Points to
Side
let
chick.
you know you are a side chick.
Yep.
Or do.
Yep.
But you
Or do.
Women get down with that too.
Can you just call anytime, be like, hey, baby,
Yeah.
I'm coming over, because I had it like that. And I'm like, it had to be a time when she was coming at the same time. Like, what did he do? Tell her, oh, baby, I gotta go to sleep.
Maybe he probably didn't have a main chick at all.
No.
Maybe he's
Yeah,
just
a lot of-
doing
a
that
lot of
for
side
everybody.
A lot of what?
A lot of
A lot of side stuff.
Yeah, but then that's
Yeah.
a lot of scheduling.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like he was doing, scheduling. Yeah, that's what they do.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. Whenever I said I was coming, I never heard a no. So I'll give you props for that one.
I mean,
That door is
Nani
always
was
open
ding
for me,
ding,
so-
baby, ding ding.
Oh, give a
You
damn.
gave good love. You gave good love. The Whitney Houston song. You
He's like,
gave.
clear the calendar.
Yeah, right.
He's like, what? Because the Arab's coming? Oh,
That's good.
shit. That bitch
That's
gotta
good.
go.
That's
Bitch, get your shit, get out.
What does one of the other questions I asked this week was about love, and was wondering what is your definition of love
Oh, the definition.
My definition? Oh, for me?
for everyone? Yeah.
I think for me, my definition of love is like if you